Hello everybody. On today's video, we're gonna be talking about cabin filters. A lot of people don't know that there's filters inside your car. This is a Scion TC 2013, which is equivalent to the rest of the other Scions from 2012 until 2016. Same model. There's a filter inside that a lot of people don't know about, and this one happens to be here on this compartment box, which I just removed right now. It only takes you those little hooks right there. Let me see if I can get my flashlight real quick. Put it on. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry, because I'm just holding my phone with one hand, and it's a little complicated to be recording and doing all this stuff. But anyways, yeah, there you go. I'm a lot better. Yeah, so I just removed these glove compartment right here, or compartment box, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, it has those little clips that mount right there, and another one right there. But most of the cars just require to kind of like get to this right here. You see the kind of clip right there, and that one kind of clip right there. All you have to do is just with one hand or whatever, you know, just be careful not to break it. All you gotta do is press it and it comes off. You see, that filter compartment is right there, and this model happens to be very accessible, if I could say, because I have worked on other vehicles that filter is like way back in there, and it's really hard to get it off. So this one has this other plastic that you just propped off, and this has this little clip right here that all you had to do is remove it like this. And this filter is brand new because I just replaced this, but I forgot to make the video, so I had to take it off. And as you can see, it's got like an airflow. It could be, man, I probably even put it wrong because the way it looked like it was. You see the blower, that's the blower right there. That thing spins right there. You see how that, whoa. You see that, you can kind of see it right there. But anyways, yeah, this has arrows. Just make sure that the arrow is facing up. And like I said, I think I messed up originally when I placed it in, because when I took that off, man, it was really bad. It was in really bad shape. And just kind of like, you know, work your way to put it back inside. It should be fitting perfectly. And all you gotta do is technically just put the cover back in. This kind of squeezes a little bit back, but I mean, it should fit perfectly, just stopping all the debris. But anyways, there you go. And to mount it back, you see this got little, like a little eyebrow right here. It goes back in there. Oh, there you go. And all you have to do is clip it back. Put this plastic back on in there. Just make sure that those little clips connect in there. Align them. Oh. There you go. And to put this one back on, as you can see, it's got like those plastic that kind of like hug the round piece in there. And once you put that back in there, that's all you have to do. You got a brand new filter inside your house, which is the one that is gonna be supplying your AC. If you experience a lot of allergies and all that stuff, that may be the reason why you are not getting better, because that filter needs to be replaced. Like I said, this is a Scion TC. Other models have it. Most of the cars have it on this side, but just you know, you kind of have to like go into you know, Google it, and like and it's not gonna be as easy for the rest of the other cars, but most of them are very accessible. So good luck with that.